Hi, Janet here. So, in this short talk, I want to just remind you of the power of emotion when you're thinking thoughts and creating new neurological pathways, but also the process of repetition. So, if you imagine the most amazing visualization and you can see yourself exactly as you want to be, having achieved everything that you want to achieve, and you've got all the benefits, and you only ever do that once, the effect of that will be pretty short lived. And so your brain neurologically loves the emotion and it loves intensity, but it also loves repetition. So these exercises are really important to do every day. And it's not about thinking, well, I've got to find 10 minutes a day to meditate or to do this or to do that. It really can be as simple as doing it when you're walking along, on the train, in the shower, on a bus. You're daydreaming all the time. So why not daydream about something that'll really help you get what you want? So when you do that visualization, make sure you get the emotional intensity so that you activate the pleasure centers in your brain, you start to produce more dopamine, and that drives the behaviors that you get there with. So it's important to know what that strategy is. You know, it's the whole thing of, well, if you really want to have a goal that's running towards a sunset and you work really hard and you train really hard and you become the best runner, but you always run to the east, then you're never going to get that vision of running into the sunset. So you've got to have the right strategy. So that's what the program is all about, giving you the strategies and the tools to do the job. But when it comes to tools, visualization is the hammer. In fact, it's the sledgehammer of all the tools that you can possibly learn that will help you change your brain. Visualization is the single most important, because it's been proven over and over again, when we visualize something, we create that reality in our mind's eye. So if a hammer is the best tool, the strongest tool, the biggest tool to do the job, and you're not using that hammer, imagine if I said to you, oh, well, there's a nail that needs banging in on that wall over there, and you can either use a hammer or you just have a go with your finger and see how that works out for you. Of course, you'd want to use the hammer to bang the nail in. So if you really want to crack this and change how you think and how you feel, visualization is your most powerful tool, but you must repeat it. Get in the habit of constantly daydreaming about what it is that you want to achieve, and neurologically you will program yourself to get just that. See you soon.